Achilles confronts Hector. It's time for the exciting climax, followed by the heartbreaking death sequence
Amin na lapta!
of you. Yipes! He runs away. Achilles chases him around the city at double speed. Accompanied by occasional funny gags happen, such as running into a building, and coming out with each other's shoulders. Or Priam's pants suddenly falling down with an accompanying whip sound. Eventually, they stop. Let's close up, people. Pag sinabi ng stop, inana mo. Ano lang yung baby? Pag sinabi ng stop, ikakat mo.